Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. I want to share with you one interesting thing. I want to speak about stock investment. I want to speak about ownership of the companies. I want to speak about investment. So let's talk, join, let's have some fun, and I'll explain how I'm investing and how you can do that simple and easy in just couple clicks. Because many times before there was difficulties with investment in stock market. You was like need to call some broker and by the phone call dealing with issues. Right now in 21st century, you have a platform, the Great One platform, that allows you to buy companies, the pieces of the companies, like in couple clicks. What do you think about Disney? Think a couple seconds about that question. What do you think about Disney company? You know that this is a great and big and like huge company that already a lot of years on the market, and a lot of years it's showing that it's great company and you can count on. Let's see how to become an owner of the Disney company. You need to buy some stocks. Literally, you can start investing from $10. I believe that you have such money, and daily you spend for coffee more money. So just think about it. You're not drinking coffee for 1 week and you'll have like $100. From $100 you can make your money to grow. You need to do that because if you have a job or you go into the office, you're making your job, you're getting some income in the end of the month, and you want to make more. I'm sure that everybody wants to make more money, and in that case this is the key, and this is one more option to make money online. Let's buy some Disney company stocks. You see there was small downgoing trend, but in general company is growing. Company is growing right from here, and there's interesting widget right here. All the traders who are on the platform right now making their decisions and buying or selling the stocks, and this widget shows how all the traders think about this movement. So I believe that the company will grow because just one viewed this movement is absolutely understandable that the company will grow. I want to buy some stocks right here and right now, and I'm gonna leave this platform with all my assets for day or 2 or 3 or even weeks, and after I'm gonna go to the platform and check my income. This is absolutely amazing because you just need to think about it like you buy in a company, you buy in a ready working business and well-known business that everybody knows. Disney. Let's see what we can do more. Facebook, Apple, Boeing, Spotify, Tesla, Amazon, Google, Netflix. So you know those companies for sure, you know them. PayPal, AMD, Nike, Coca-Cola, Slack, there's MasterCard. Let's see what's happening here. Company is also growing, Let's buy some MasterCard. I'm charging for $1,000. I have some amount of money on my balance. If you don't have such big money, you can start investing with a small amounts, with a $10, $20, $30. And if you hold in the stocks for a year or half a year, the company is paying the dividends. So this is one more way you can buy or sell the asset. You can buy or sell the stock, and after it will grow or fall, you can close the position, you can fix your you can get your profit. Let's see, for example, what's happening. Okay, the Facebook. Let's see. I bought a Facebook, and right now it brought me 50% of profit. And this is like about 1 day past. And it's still growing. It's still growing slowly with the small steps, but it's growing, guys. And I can press the close right now and get my $500, but I believe that Facebook will grow more. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna get back to the platform tomorrow, for example, and we'll see that Facebook is still growing, and I'm getting like not 50% but 70% or more. But let's close this position, for example, right now. 49. Let's see okay, let's wait couple minutes. We'll cover the 50% of profit and we'll close this position, just to show you that this is absolutely possible and this is absolutely easy to buy some stocks, wait a day or two or a couple hours, and to close the position and to get your profit. And if you have a business, you understand that money growing not so fast as you want it to. It's always like that. But here on the public market, where the Facebook and Microsoft and Tesla and all those big huge companies, well-known companies, you can grow your money within the days, within the minutes. You see, the company is growing still. The Facebook, all the people who working on Facebook, just working for you because you are the owner of this company. The small one, of course, you're not the Mark Zuckerberg, yeah, because he has the main and huge piece of this company, and all the other stocks is like holding the people, and you can be part of this this big family. Okay, you can buy a Facebook, for example, 50%, closing the position. Okay, here you go, $500, and I want to buy more because the company will grow and I want to buy more, and I'll wait a day or two and I will see what's happening with this company and how to make money. You see, the movement is right here, and I believe that this company will grow also. So I'm gonna get back to platform tomorrow. If you want to start investing, remember that all the useful links are under this video, and I hope that you understood that this is pretty simple, this is pretty easy, and you can make money online just sitting in front of your laptop in a minute, just in a minute. Tesla company, Facebook, a lot of companies, Coca-Cola. Just go to the platform, use the links under this video in the description panel, find them, click on that links, go to the platform, pass the registration, and make your first investment, because in the future it will bring you a big and huge amount of money, and you'll be happy for sure. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye.